Back in 2023, we saw the first ever claim that NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, had discovered a possible signature of life in the atmosphere of an exoplanet. The JWST, having just begun its mission, has already transformed our understanding of the universe, making it more mysterious and beautiful than we could have imagined. Among its discoveries is evidence from Proxima b, a planet located about 4 light-years from Earth, which might indicate the existence of alien life. Experts are piecing together these findings, and their implications are incredible. Could this discovery mean humanity is not alone in the universe? Let's explore the groundbreaking revelations about Proxima b and why they might fundamentally change our understanding of existence. Proxima b has been a source of fascination since its discovery in 2016. It orbits Proxima Centauri, part of the Alpha Centauri triple star system, and resides in the habitable zone of its parent star, a region where liquid water might exist. Water, of course, sparks hope for life. However, Proxima b's host star, a red dwarf, emits intense flares and radiation, which could strip away any atmosphere, posing significant challenges for life as we know it. Despite these difficulties, the recent findings about Proxima b are far more astonishing than anticipated, shaking the foundations of what we know. Using advanced infrared capabilities, the JWST identified a faint, steady glow from the planet's dark side, something consistent and systematic, not natural phenomena like volcanic activity. This glow resembled artificial light, sparking speculation about intelligent life. The implications are staggering. If the glow is indeed artificial, it might indicate the presence of a civilization capable of advanced technology, lighting their nights like we do on Earth. Such a society could represent one vast metropolis or a network of interconnected settlements. The question arises, how are these lights powered? Is the civilization harnessing energy from its dim star or using technology beyond our comprehension? Alternatively, could these lights be remnants of a once thriving civilization that has since declined? Such possibilities lead to profound questions about life's resilience and the factors behind societal collapse. Proxima b, located relatively close to Earth in cosmic terms, offers tantalizing prospects for future exploration. Advanced propulsion systems could send missions to study this enigmatic planet firsthand within decades. If intelligent life exists there, humanity's ability to communicate or even collaborate with another species would mark a historical turning point. Yet, communication would be challenging, as signals would take over 4 years to traverse the vast distance. Moreover, understanding an alien civilization's mode of communication, potentially involving symbols, sounds, or technologies unknown to us, adds layers of complexity. The prospect of contact, however, raises ethical and existential concerns. Would an alien civilization perceive us as allies or threats? History shows that encounters between different societies often bring both collaboration and conflict. If Proxima b harbors intelligent beings, humanity must approach such interactions with caution, understanding, and a readiness to learn. Beyond the lights themselves, their implications challenge deeply rooted beliefs about our uniqueness in the universe. A confirmed alien civilization would revolutionize our philosophies, religions, and daily priorities. It might even inspire humanity to treat Earth with greater care, knowing others have faced similar challenges. Proxima b's hypothetical inhabitants might offer insights into surviving harsh environments, potentially guiding humanity toward sustainable technologies and equitable resource management. Even if the glow turns out to be natural, the search for answers advances our knowledge and fuels the human spirit of exploration. The discovery underscores how little we know and how much there is to learn. The JWST has opened a door to new cosmic possibilities, and Proxima b stands as a beacon of hope and curiosity. Whether or not we find life there, each discovery brings us closer to understanding our place in the universe. If it's a sign of intelligent life that's capable of organizing and harnessing energy, this is not just wishful thinking, it's based on data that's raising questions among the brightest minds in astronomy. The concept of tidal locking also adds to the intrigue. Proxima b is likely tidally locked to its star, which means that one side of the planet is always facing the star while the other remains in perpetual darkness. This kind of environment would lead to extreme differences in climate between the day and night sides. The The side facing the star would be exposed to constant radiation and heat, while the dark side could be extremely cold. If there is any place that could be habitable, it would be the twilight zone between the two, a narrow band where temperatures might be just right for liquid water. If artificial lights are coming from the night side, it might mean that the beings there have managed to create a stable environment despite these extreme conditions. What's even more fascinating is the possibility that the inhabitants of Proxima b, if they exist, are aware of us just as we are of them. Could they be watching our planet, noticing the lights from our cities, and wondering what kind of beings live here? The implications of two civilizations being aware of each other without yet having made contact are profound. It raises questions about how contact should be made, if it should be made at all. Human history is full of examples of what happens when two very different cultures meet, and it hasn't always gone well. There is as much risk as there is potential for reward in attempting to communicate with an alien civilization. If these beings are intelligent, we have to consider how advanced they might be. Are they at a stage similar to our own, struggling with their societal issues, or are they far beyond us in terms of technology and knowledge? The fact that we see lights could indicate that they are technologically advanced, but we don't know if they are at a point where they've overcome challenges like war, resource scarcity, or environmental degradation. It's possible that they found solutions to problems that we're still grappling with. If we were to make contact, it could open up an avenue for us to learn from them and potentially save ourselves from some of the threats we currently face. Imagine, for instance, that the beings on Proxima b have discovered a way to generate energy that doesn't harm their environment, some kind of clean, renewable energy that's efficient enough to power entire cities without depleting resources. Such a discovery could be revolutionary for us. We're at a point where our reliance on fossil fuels is causing significant harm to the planet, and renewable energy sources, while promising, are not yet efficient enough to meet all of our needs. Learning from an alien civilization that has faced and overcome similar challenges could be exactly what we need to move forward. The thought of reaching out to life on Proxima b stirs both hope and worry. As the idea of meeting another world becomes more real, so does the danger of new discoveries. But let's not forget the potential dangers. If there is intelligent life on Proxima b, they might not be friendly. They could see us as a threat or, worse, as a resource to be exploited. We have no idea what their values or priorities are, and we can't assume that they would want to communicate peacefully. The history of our own species shows that when different civilizations meet, conflict often follows. If we decide to make contact, we have to be prepared for the possibility that it might not go well. This is why any attempt to communicate with extraterrestrial beings must be approached with caution. The discovery of these lights also brings up questions about how we define life. Up until now, our search for extraterrestrial life has been focused on finding conditions similar to those on Earth, liquid water, a stable atmosphere, and moderate temperatures. But Proxima b challenges these assumptions. It's orbiting a star that's much cooler than our Sun, it's likely tidally locked, and it's bombarded with radiation. Yet, despite these harsh conditions, there might be life there. This suggests that life is far more adaptable than we previously thought. It might mean that we need to broaden our search criteria and start looking in places we've previously ignored because they didn't fit our narrow definition of what's habitable. Another fascinating aspect is the possibility that the lights are remnants of a once thriving civilization. What if we're seeing the afterglow of a society that has already collapsed? This opens up an entirely new set of questions. What happened to them? Did they face challenges similar to ours, climate change, overpopulation, resource scarcity, and fail to overcome them? If that's the case, their story could serve as a cautionary tale for us. We might be looking at our future if we don't find a way to solve the problems we're currently facing. The lights could be a beacon not of hope but of warning, a reminder that even advanced civilizations can fall. The timing of this discovery is also significant. The light we're seeing now left Proxima b over 4 years ago, which means that whatever is happening there is happening in real time, at least from a cosmic perspective. If there is a civilization there, they could be at a similar stage of development as we are. They might be facing the same challenges, working on similar advancements, and even asking the same questions about the universe. The idea that there could be another civilization out there, So close to us, dealing with the same issues is both humbling and exhilarating. If we do decide to reach out, how would we do it? The distance between us and Proxima b means that any communication would be incredibly slow. A signal sent from Earth would take over 4 years to reach Proxima b, and if they responded, it would take another 4 years for us to receive it. That's an 8-year wait for a single reply. It's not the kind of conversation we're used to, but it's a conversation worth having. The potential to learn from another intelligent species, to share knowledge and experiences, is worth the wait. But we have to be careful about what we say. We have to consider how they might interpret our messages, and we have to be prepared for the possibility that they might not respond at all. The discovery of potential artificial lights on Proxima b is a reminder of how much we still have to learn. The universe is vast, and we've only just begun to scratch the surface of what's out there. The James Webb Space Telescope is giving us a glimpse into the unknown, and it's up to us to decide what we do with that information. Whether these lights turn out to be proof of an advanced civilization or something more mundane, the fact that we're even having this conversation is a testament to how far we've come. But it's also a reminder of how much more there is to discover. If there really are lights on Proxima b, then someone or something is out there, living under the same sky, staring at their own stars, and maybe even wondering the same things we do. Are they alone? Are we watching them just as they might be watching us? In a universe so vast, it's almost arrogant to think we're the only ones. The James Webb Telescope has given us a glimpse of something extraordinary, and now it's up to us to figure out what it all means. The possibilities are endless, and the path has only just begun. Could Proxima b's shocking discovery truly prove alien life, or is this just another cosmic coincidence scientists can't fully explain? Tell us what you think and remember to like and subscribe for more.